Seller's Toolbox Big Grip Bucket can be mounted for use as a hanging dispenser and removed for easy mobile use. To mount your bucket, begin by inventorying your bucket package. You should have one bucket with lid and a roll of towels along with mounting hardware, including the mounting bracket and 3 screws. The screws can be found inside your bucket by removing the lid. You can also use your own mounting screws if you prefer. If you're using your own screws, the provided screws are number 8 by 1.25-inch fill pan tech screws for purposes of comparison. To get started with mounting your bucket, begin by removing the zip tie from bracket and handle. Now remove the bracket from the handle. Find a convenient, easily accessible location close to your most frequent usage to mount your bucket. Be sure to mount your bucket at a height with convenient reach while leaving plenty of clearance for towel removal. And be careful not to choose a location where the dispenser will be frequently bumped or hit, as this can damage the bracket. The bucket's bracket should be mounted to a flat wall space, as mounting upon an uneven or rounded wall can put undue stress on your bracket, resulting in damage to the product. If you are mounting upon drywall, be sure and locate a stud in your wall for secure mounting. Now that you've located your stud, it's time to mount your bracket. Place your bracket into position with the end that has 2 screw holes at the top. We recommend that you pre-drill your holes for easier mounting. Mount the bracket using the screws provided. Drill the screws into the bracket firmly, but do not over-tighten them, as this can damage or destroy the bracket. Before inserting the bucket into the bracket, set down your bucket so that you can see the lid from above. Pop open the dispenser cap in the middle of the lid and line the teeth inside to the outside edge of the bucket directly opposite from the handle. The dispenser cap should now open back toward the handle. This will allow you to more easily dispense towels. Next, pull your first towel partly out and flip the bucket. Place it into the bracket. You're ready to dispense. To dispense a towel, simply pull the towel down and then to the side over the lid's teeth. Although we recommend the gravity-fed upside-down configuration of the bucket on the mount, you can also mount the bucket upright if you prefer. You now have a bucket that can be placed into the wall mount for both local usage and store, but that can also be easily carried for remote use. If you want to remove the bucket and use it elsewhere, simply lift it out of the bracket and flip it. Now you can dispense from the top. You can carry the bucket away and use it anywhere you need it. You can return the bucket to the mount anytime. It's completely portable. The bucket is made from durable plastic, so it'll hold up to much more punishment than boxes, and it's water resistant. It won't fall apart when wet. Perhaps best of all, the bucket is refillable. Our Big Grip Bucket refill slides easily into the container so that you can reuse your bucket again and again. The economical refill costs less than the original bucket, so you save money every time you refill your bucket. The more times you refill it, the more you save. You're now ready to use your Toolbox Big Grip Bucket, so get to work and be safe.